Good day, everyone. I'm Jenica A. Pulgueras from BSE Social Studies 2D. And our topic for today is about the right and privileges of all teachers. But before we proceed to that, first I would like to share this to all of you.
There are so many teachers who suffer and have a terrible time. Nowadays, teachers are expected to master their subject, know good pedagogical principle, assess student performance as perfectly as possible, to be friend of the students, help students when they get suffer physically and psychologically, and have authority and correct students' behavior, and to become successful someday.
Let me discuss to you first the Commonwealth Act number 578, also known as a person in authority. This law recognizes supervisors, teachers, and professors of public and recognized private school as a person in authority. Now, this also provides penalties to any person found guilty of assault upon these teaching personnel. Imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years, and a fine of 500 to 1,000 pesos. Now, this act means the teacher cannot be attacked physically when performing their duties. This law protects the teachers from being physically harmed by parents and individuals who may have grudge against them.
What is person in authority? Is one directly vested with jurisdiction, that is a public officer who has the power to govern and execute the laws, whether as an individual or as a member of some court or governmental corporation, board or commission.
Now, why is it teachers are called person in authority? Teachers shall be deemed person in authority when in that discharge of lawful and duties and responsibilities, and shall therefore be accorded due to respect and protection. So this means that we have to treat it respectfully and protected by means of authority. And because of the teacher's hard work and dedication, the state recognized the major roles and contributions of teachers. In nurturing future, our leaders state gave the rights and privileges of the teachers. For their noble professions, and to the Republic of 670, also known as the Magna Carta for the public school teachers, and the Article 14, Section 4 of the 1987 Philippines Constitution, I understand and the state recognizes the teachers by means of those acts. Teachers truly deserve those rights and privileges provided by the state because they take upon themselves the responsibility of the taking care of their students, school even behind the regular chain hours. Furthermore, teachers particularly do station in far-flung areas where there are no public service vehicles, and the only way to reach those areas are to walk and cross the rivers, bears most burdens. Right now, we are facing the new normal or online class, and our teachers are great one. Because even though they are hard, they do their jobs and sacrifice to meet the needs of the students and be able to bring new knowledge. They are looking for a strong signal to attend Google Meet and deliver the modules from house to house. And recognitions through these heroic deeds, and the state shall be so honored to public school teachers by allowing the dropping of the Philippine flag on their casket. And now the state recognizes the commitment, dedication, and sacrifice of public school teachers. As evidenced by Republic number 4670 or the Magna Carta for public school teachers. However, the existing policy needs amendment to meet the present needs of the country's public school teachers. In overall, if you are civil service employees, the public school teachers, supervisors, and administrators are enjoying special for privileges. All privileges of the teachers, personnel are prescribed by law. Some of these privileges are the following. First, teachers as person in authority. Second, maternity leave. Third, study leave. Fourth, outside teaching. Fifth, vacation and sick leave. 6. Compulsory insurance. 7. Vacation pay. 8. Service credit. 9. Salary loans. 10. Free medical consultation. 11. Cost of living and hardship allowance. 12. Compensation for injuries. 13. Joining teachers organization. 14. Enjoy academic freedom. 15. Working hours for teachers. 16. Retirement benefits. 17. Tenure of office. In conclusion, the Magna Carta Public School Teachers and the 1987 of the Philippines Constitution, particularly the Article Section 4, helped me a lot to understand fully the rights of the teachers. And these acts are very important to the public school teachers because it protects the right of the teachers like the tenure of office, academic freedom, tax relief, and other benefits. Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, 1987, Field Illusion served as the guide to alter production and freedom away from threats and termination from the concerned authorities. And if you are not aware of this law, you are always threatened by the administrator or any person in authority to terminate you from your work once you violated the law. However, in order to protect from abuses, and every teacher must know and understand very well the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers and the 1987 Constitution because it served as their guides on their profession and their rights, privileges, and benefits.